Hey guys, welcome back sa ngayong video at ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Parkour Spiral na ginawa nitong mga cool guys na to. Ito, si Hilk and King Skull yun. So, sila yung gumawa na ito at today ay lalaruin natin ang Parkour Spiral na nilaro ng mga multiple popular YouTubers. So, let us start. Okay, so, di ko pa to nalalaro guys pero napanood ko na to sa mga ibang YouTubers. Okay, let's go. First checkpoint, let's see. And we got some cool little parkours right here. Pretty nice. Okay, next level. So, tatalon tayo dito, I guess. Dito sa... cobblestone na yan. Dito we got more lava. Okay, let's go. Whoa! Let's see. Okay, akit tayo dito. And then let's jump. Oh my god, may chorus. What the heck, dude? Chorus parkour. Oh my god, that's so out of this world. Next level, my mans. This is so next level, dude. What? May head hitters pa. Okay, seems like walang head hitters. Tsaka punta tayo dito and then bang bang. Woo! Oy! Wala ng momentum. Okay, nasa wood lumberjack part na tayo. Let's see. Then, oh my god, kala ko makagawa ng combo. Ang galing. Lahat ng skills ko sa parkour biglang nawala as soon as nag-record ako. Oh my god, that's so nice. Combo, and then, perfect. Hopla, perfect. Nakapunta tayo dito, and then, right there. Then, let's jump right there. Oh, and then, let's do that. And then, bang. Tsaka, nasa nether part na naman tayo. Let's see. Then, let's jump over here. So, I guess, okay. 4 block jump. Then, kailan niya ng momentum doon. Good thing I made it though. Panood ko guys, may end part dito na may end rod parkour. So, sa nakita ko sa paglaro ng ibang YouTubers doon ay mahirap. Took a lot of tries. Kasi sobrang thin ng end rod. Unti lang yung space na matatalon mo doon. So, it leads to a lot of falling down. And ang galing talaga yan. That's very clever, I guess. Tatalon tayo dito sa cactus na to. Hindi ko alam ba't sa version na to namamatay ako sa cactus. Pero sa ibang YouTubers hindi sila namamatay. Talon tayo dyan and then we'll go over here. Okay, that's nice. Oh, the lava part. And then we go over here sa may acacia tree na to because I saw it. Then another checkpoint, another nether part. Holy, that's a lot. Ang daming nether part What the heck, dude? Pangatlo na to Punta tayo sa side na to and then jump right there. Then what the heck, dude? I guess tatulong tayo dito. Oh, hindi ko yun nakita. Okay, now we go over here. Diyan sa part na yan and then colorful. Wow. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh! And then even more colorful. Tas nasa dead course tree na tayo. And oh my god, birch part. Dang. And now, nandito na tayo sa pumpkin part. See. Hey, yo, what the heck, dude? This whole place is low detail, low resolution, dude. What the heck? Ang low resolution nito. What the heck, dude? Whoa! This is what the heck, dude? Ang clever talaga ng mga gumawa nitong mapa na to. Dang, dude. Tapos narinig ko rin merong parkour spiral 2. So I might play it. I might play it in a few months. So, stay tuned for that. Probably sa June kasi may mga video ideas na ako para sa May. May mga video ideas na ako para sa May, so I can just add another video idea kahit yung max. Since I will starting at around May 4, I will now upload every Sunday and shit. And then para sa hardcore, nawawala na ako ng gana. Pero so mga pag nasa pag nag-release na yung bagong 1.20 1.80 update, I will do the hardcore. So yeah, of the fence parkour, that is nice. And then tayo dyan, our first ladder parkour. Okay, that's nice. Okay, we made it. And then let's go over here. Talon dito sa slime na to, and then go to the jungle part now. And then jump over here. So seems like kailangan na natin simulan yung crowd, yung ganto na trick, yung crouch trick. Perfect. Tsaka punta tayo dyan, and then right there. Tsaka punta tayo dito sa part na to. Another nether part. Very rough. Okay. Oh, yes, let's go. Okay. Then punta tayo dito. Okay, we made it. And I guess we're not going down there kasi we don't want to. And then yes, we made it finally, dude. Meron tayong ditong part na to. And then okay, looks like we're not going to crouch down. There we go, perfect. Tsaka talon tayo dito. Let's jump right there to the ice. And then bang. Then we're going over here. I don't know but naglalag. Okay, I see. So punta tayo dito. Then over here. Dito. Then yung little pasikot-sikot. Tsaka tayo dito. Nahulog na naman tayo para ma-open natin yan. May little entrance na tayo, pero hindi ko alam kung paano natin yung gagamitin. Then punta tayo dyan. Over here. Hindi ko mamatay dun. Okay. Let's go. Ang hirap ng part ngayon. Okay. Yes! Let's go. Okay, more nether part. Oh god. Perfect. Okay, that's nice. Tsaka punta tayo dito. Sponge na to. And this is some weird sponge formation. Okay, tapos meron tayong cool little floating stuff right there. Tsaka tayo dito sa pintuan na to. And then jump tayo dyan. And now perfect. And then let's go over here. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Then punta tayo dito sa isang spot na to. Then I guess we're going up here. Punta tayo dito. Pag ganyan. And oh my god, meron na naman tayong part. They have combined how the powers have combined. Oh my god. Okay, I see. Nakikita ko. Tayo dyan. Akit tayo dyan, and then we'll go up there, and then akit tayo sa isang part na to. Since may nakitang slime block, I guess we'll jump off like that, and then you will never get lag spikes, trust me. Sa pinaka worst situations talaga nagkakaroon ng lag spike. Ang galing talaga. Hindi ko yung pinaka hard part. Okay, let's see kung makakaya natin. And okay, that's nice. Walang tayo dyan, and then tayo like that. Oh my god, finally dude, that took so far long to do. So magagawin dito. Okay, pupunta tayo dito. Dyan tayo. Then let's do this. And then talon tayo dyan. We do some parkour, and we did it. That's nice. That's nice. Di ko alam kung para saan tong part na to eh. I guess it's under another area para magawa yung part na yan. But I guess I went to the other area, so I think that's completely fine. I made it. And what the heck is this, dude? What the heck? Ito yung nakikita ko sa mga Roblox OB. Oh my god, dude, finally. Ano gagawin dito? Parang kailangan ko mag-lock in, guys. So, hindi mo na magsasalita for the rest of the video. So, for the rest of the video, yung makikita nyo lang, guys, ay gameplay. Alright boys, nasa final part na tayo. Tignan nyo yun, oh. Oh my god, nasa jungle part. After 10 whole minutes, dude. Oh my god. Mabibit na natin yung parkour spiral for the first time. Holy. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's nice. Tsaka guess, sakit tayo dito. Tatulin ba tayo dyan? And, okay. Alright, here we go boys. The last stretch. The last checkpoint. And the last obstacle. The parkour spiral map has been beaten, boys and my just dito with Elytras. Let's go! Holy. Holy, dude, we finally beat it. 30 minutes of playtime. Daming diamonds. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a God blessing day and goodbye.